Welcome to Project 5 in my series of Arduino board video tutorials. This one's titled Light Sound. And as you look at this schematic here, you probably notice that it's not a very complicated circuit and not a lot of components to it. Uh, but this is a very interesting project here. First thing I'll point your attention to is the photoresistor that we have dealt with. You know that this collects light, and depending on the position, the amount of light intensity, or our um, anything covering it up, like our hand or anything, that the light intensity will vary, and you see that it's connected here to an analog pin, and so the amount of voltage on that pin will vary depending on the amount of light. Also, you'll see that there's a new component that we'll use, which is a piezo, and you probably guessed based on um, this symbol here, it makes noise. We have this, it's like a speaker here, and a piezo is just basically a little small element that it'll vibrate when it receives electricity, and um, and then the vibration displaces the air, and then it creates sound. So how this circuit, all together, what we're creating is we're basically creating an instrument, and this instrument is will be based on the movement of our hands around it to create a noise, and that is officially what's referred to as a theremin. Didn't want to title this project theremin because people would look at it and think, well, what is that? And it doesn't really sound cool, but um, that's basically what we are building here, is an instrument that will make sound based on the movement of our hands around this photoresistor here. And what'll happen is it'll allow us to create different tones that come out of this piezo here. So um, so if that sounds interesting, let's go ahead and move on to gather the components that we'll need to build out this circuit.